Hey guys, US Binary Trader here, and great way to start this video off with on the weekend, Saturday morning, Eastern time is 2 in the morning. I'd like to do weekend analysis to get myself prepared for next week. So we're gonna look at some charts real quick. We want to look at May 15th for next week. Start date to end date, of course, is Friday. I'll go ahead and apply that. Now let's see what's going on. Actually, no, I actually want to change that. I actually just want to change May 15th. Well, let me do that. May 15th and May 15th. Boom. Alright, cool. So May 15th starting at 1:30 p.m. It's currently 2:06 in the morning, like I said, Eastern time. USD got some news going on. The golden index. Okay, so starting off today around 8 o'clock. It should be pretty good until 1:30. Doing binary options, don't trade during news because everything, all your tests, all your charts, all your analysis go complete to shit because it's so volatile. It breaks supports and resistance. It breaks volume measures. It breaks ticks. It breaks RSIs and everything. So I definitely wouldn't trade. And as you can see here, don't trade. It has two bulls, which means it's moderate. One bull means it's not that active. The news is not going to be that productive towards it. And three bulls means it's very gonna have a lot of volume. It's predicting to have a lot of volume at least. So definitely don't trade during the news times. Like so 1:30, I probably would not trade around 1:30 guys on Monday. But let's go ahead and analyze Monday. I want to start with the Euro USD. But the 1 hour chart, I was looking at this earlier. I got my RSI set to 14. That's the normal what's the word I'm looking for? Normal preset that it's used to. And as you can see right here, it's being overbought on the hourly chart. The reason I'm on the hourly chart because I was trying to look for a reversal trade because as you can see, it's spiked up over the last few days. May 12th it spiked up. May 12th it was a huge day. Yesterday, I'm pretty sure it killed a lot of people, especially since it was on a downward trend and then just spiked right back up. So definitely. So like I said, the reason I picked the hourly because if you go to the 5 minute, you can't really tell. I mean, you had this high point right here at 1.09343, which like I say, you can't really tell if that's a resistance line because there's really nothing else here to guide you on. So okay, so I went to like the 5 minute chart, I went to the 15-minute chart, still nothing. Can't tell. So I just say, go straight to a 1 hour chart. And as you can see with this period, where's that right now? That is high right now. It's sitting around around that range at 301. But if you go to the top at the high, if you see it's high, it's hitting resistance at the 326 level right here. 326, 325 is hit right here. Boom. So and then it's hit back down here. So you got one, you got two. So you got one resistance line and it broke. And so this became and then it went down. And then it goes back up to resistance and it broke it. So now it came up with support. So then you have another level of support, but it broke the support level. So now it's become a resistance level. So as you keep going, now it's back up to a resistance level. But since this thing's so strong and my RSI is predicting, is being well overbought on the hourly chart, I definitely would go for a longer trade on the Euro USD. Definitely doing binary options, and like I said, we'll do it in the morning. We'll do it during trading hours of 1:30, as you saw on the news for Monday. That's probably when a lot of the volatility in markets is going to happen. So I definitely would take the Euro USD trade 1 hour or 30 minutes by most. I mean, you could try 15 minutes, but there's no telling how the market reacts. So I try to do 15 to an hour, not even an hour, 15 to 30 minutes by most. Or your maximum trade for the Euro USD. Like I said, it's hitting this line. As you can see, it closed the market today around 5 o'clock. It closed on its high point, of the day, and it's hitting the resistance line. It's hitting the resistance line, and it was being resisted. So it's good news. So I do believe it's going to go down. Like I said, as you can see down here, right? Oops, let me get rid of that. My bad. As you can see down here, it's being overbought really bad, and I say it's about time it needs to go back down. So that's what that's looking like. Let's see if I can find anything else. No. Okay, we got GB USD, GBP, Great British Pound. Now, okay, you got it's hit this levels here. It's hit resistance here once, twice, 3 times. Okay, we go across, and then you go all the way to right here, and it's hit, and it was a support line, but broke. You got it hit it right here, and it broke. So, let's say there's gonna be a test. I definitely watch out for that. Um, on the hourly, I probably will make a longer term trade just because I want to see how that folds out. Definitely would try. I would definitely would trade that down also. So the Euro USD low and GBP USD also would trade low for at least 30 minutes. Let's see, is there anything else that we could predict? So let's say write this down. JBP USD 1 hour. Write down where it's at on your charts. And same for the Euro USD. Definitely believe it's gonna go down. It's definitely hitting some strong resistance lines right now. It's bounced up and hit it. It's like I said, it bounced to that resistance line. It broke, but then it came back. And then you got this resistance line over here. This is support line. I mean resistance line where it broke resistance and it kept rising, so that became support. But as you see, it came back down. You got it over here to where it's broke, where it hit was support, but then it broke. So I definitely think it's gonna go down still. I do believe it's gonna go down. I don't think it's gonna go back up, especially after this mother candle right here. It's gonna be hard trying to get past this mother candle. So I definitely would trade this to a put trade. Like I said, 15 to 30 minutes. You definitely should be in the money. And hope y'all have some great profits. Okay, see y'all later.